Did you know that adding a spoonful of baking soda to your daily water intake can improve your health? If not, you're in for a surprise. This video will enlighten you on the fantastic and unique health benefits of drinking water with baking soda. From promoting better digestion and detoxing your body to boosting energy levels, discover how adding this common household ingredient into your daily routine can make a big difference in your overall well-being. So here are the best health benefits of drinking baking soda water. 1. Balances the body's pH. Our bodies can become too acidic due to diet and environment, leading to various health issues such as inflammation and a weakened immune system. The body's high acidity level may also lead to health issues like heartburn, indigestion, bloating, and even skin problems like eczema and psoriasis. When consumed with water, baking soda works as a natural antacid and helps neutralize the excess acid produced in the stomach. This neutralization helps restore the natural pH balance and eradicate these symptoms. 2. Treats acid reflux and soothes heartburn. If you are one of the many individuals who suffer from acid reflux and frequent heartburn, you know how uncomfortable and even debilitating this condition can be. While numerous medications claim to relieve these conditions, they may not be the best option for everyone. Drinking water with a spoonful of baking soda may offer a natural alternative that can alleviate symptoms without the risk of side effects. Baking soda is an alkaline compound that helps neutralize stomach acid. When mixed with water, it can help soothe inflammation in the esophagus and reduce irritation caused by acid reflux. 3. Reduces inflammation and enhances the immune system. Inflammation is a natural response of the immune system to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to various health problems such as arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Baking soda contains alkaline compounds that can help neutralize the acid in the body and reduce inflammation. The immune-boosting properties of baking soda result from its ability to balance pH levels in the body. A balanced pH level is essential for the optimal functioning of the immune system as it helps create an environment where bacteria and viruses cannot thrive. Studies suggest that consuming baking soda water can increase white blood cell count, which helps in fighting off infections. 4. Soothes ulcer pain. Ulcers are painful sores that occur in the stomach lining or small intestine. They can result from several factors, including bacterial infection, stress, and certain medications. The alkaline properties of baking soda help neutralize stomach acid and reduce inflammation, relieving ulcer pain. When consumed in moderation, baking soda water can promote healing and prevent discomfort associated with ulcers. Overall, incorporating a spoonful of baking soda into your daily water intake may offer relief from ulcer pain due to its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. But remember, always use caution when trying home remedies. 5. Whitens the teeth. Baking soda is an effective teeth whitener because it removes surface stains caused by coffee, tea, and other dark-colored beverages. Besides, it can neutralize harmful acids in the mouth that cause bad breath and tooth decay when used as a mouthwash. The alkaline nature of baking soda also helps balance the pH levels in the mouth, preventing bacteria from thriving and causing damage to tooth enamel. Additionally, utilizing baking soda as a regular part of your dental routine can help polish teeth and make them appear brighter over time. Ensure you use it in moderation, as it can be abrasive if used too frequently or vigorously. It should not replace regular brushing or visits to the dentist, but rather as an adjunct to maintaining good oral hygiene practices. Incorporating a spoonful of baking soda into your daily water intake can improve overall dental health and brighten your smile. 6. Boosts energy levels. When our body becomes too acidic due to poor diet, stress, or lack of sleep, our energy levels decrease as it becomes hard for the body to function well. Drinking baking soda water can help boost energy levels. The alkaline compounds of baking soda neutralize the acid in the body, balancing the pH level and reducing fatigue. In addition to its alkalizing properties, baking soda contains sodium bicarbonate, which improves exercise performance and delays fatigue during physical activity. These attributes are why it is a popular supplement among athletes looking for a natural way to enhance their endurance. While drinking water with baking soda may have some benefits for boosting energy levels, it should not be relied upon as the sole solution for chronic fatigue or low energy. A balanced diet is essential for maintaining optimal health and energy levels. 7. Enhances kidney function and prevents kidney stone formation. The kidney is responsible for several vital functions in the body. One of its primary roles is to filter waste products and excess fluids from the blood, expelled out of the body as urine. This process helps balance essential minerals and electrolytes in your bloodstream, such as sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Another crucial function of the kidneys is regulating blood pressure levels. They release hormones that help control how much fluid your body retains or eliminates. When the kidneys are not functioning well, they may be unable to eliminate excess acids from the body. It can lead to various health problems, including the formation of kidney stones. Drinking baking soda water helps neutralize these excess acids and reduces the risk of developing urinary tract infections, or kidney stones. Moreover, baking soda water may also benefit individuals who suffer from chronic kidney disease, CKD. CKD is a severe condition that affects millions worldwide, and patients often experience metabolic acidosis as their kidneys fail to remove enough acid from their blood. Research suggests that baking soda can reduce acidity levels in people with CKD and improve their overall health outcomes. Therefore, incorporating this simple remedy into your daily routine could help promote better kidney health and well-being. 8. Aids digestion and promotes weight loss. The digestive system breaks down food into smaller particles, absorbing nutrients and eliminating waste products from the body. However, some factors, such as poor diet, stress, and lack of physical activity, can cause digestive problems such as bloating, indigestion, and constipation. Baking soda water is an effective home remedy for various digestive issues due to its alkaline properties. It neutralizes stomach acid and reduces inflammation in the gut lining, alleviating these symptoms. Besides, drinking baking soda water may promote regular bowel movements by helping to break down fats and proteins more efficiently. This improved digestion allows for a more efficient breakdown of food, reducing the overall calorie intake and enhancing weight loss. In addition, baking soda water can act as a natural detoxifier for the body, expelling toxic substances from the body. This combination helps alkalize the body and flush out toxins, hindering weight loss efforts. Finally, when dissolved in water, baking soda releases carbon dioxide gas, which causes the fizzing effect. The alkalinity of baking soda can help neutralize acidity in the body when consumed orally. However, use it in moderation since excessive consumption may lead to unwanted side effects such as stomach upset or high blood pressure. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with 200 milliliters of water thoroughly before consumption. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 24 health benefits of drinking baking soda and water.